సో గైస్ లాస్ట్ వీడియోస్లో మనం లిస్ట్ అండ్ టపుల్స్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేసాం కదా. సో ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లిస్ట్లో చూద్దాం. సో మనకు తెలుసు లిస్ట్ వచ్చేసరికి స్క్వేర్ బ్రాకెట్స్లో పారెన్థసిస్లో టపుల్స్ని యూజ్ చేస్తాం, రైట్? సో నేను ఇక్కడ ఒక లిస్ట్ తీసుకుంటున్నాను. ఈ లిస్ట్ వచ్చేసరికి స్టూడెంట్ యొక్క డీటెయిల్స్ని స్టోర్ చేద్దాం, లైక్ స్టూడెంట్ నేమ్, ఏజ్ అండ్ సబ్జెక్ట్. సో జస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ స్టోరింగ్ ద డీటెయిల్స్. సో ఇక్కడ మనకు ఒక లిస్ట్ ఉంది, ఆ లిస్ట్లో స్టూడెంట్ యొక్క డీటెయిల్స్ని స్టోర్ చేసాం. ఐఎమ్ ప్రింటింగ్ దట్ లిస్ట్. సో ఇక్కడ చూసుకుంటే మనకి డేటా అనేది ప్రింట్ అయింది. బట్ ఇఫ్ ఇన్ కేస్ ఒకసారి ఈ లిస్టింగ్ని మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే వీ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ క్లియర్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. సో ఈ లిస్ట్ ఈ డేటా గురించి మనకి ఎలాంటి క్లియర్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ లేదు. ఈ వాల్యూ అనేది ఏ ఫీల్డ్కి రిలేటెడ్, ఆర్ ఈ ఏజ్ అనేది ఏ ఫీల్డ్కి రిలేటెడ్, అండ్ రాజు ఈజ్ రిలేటెడ్ టు విచ్ ఫీల్డ్. సో మనకి ఏ ఫీల్డ్కి ఏది రిలేటెడ్ అనేది మనకి ఒక ఐడియా లేదు. సో ఈ నెంబర్ అనేది వీ డోంట్ నో ఎదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏజ్ ఆర్ మార్క్స్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్, రైట్? సో వీ నీడ్ టు మ్యాప్ every field with the value. So for suppose here this is the name field, right? So I'm mapping the name field with the value Raju, right? Next, this is age. So I'm mapping the age with the value 34. But if in case if we have another number like marks, some 80, so let us give the field name as marks 80, and another field is subject. That's it. So here you can see we have mapped with the fields and the values. So here the name field is mapped with the value Raju and the age 34, and we have, so you can clearly observe that we are having the clear information about the data. We can say 34 is the age of a person and 80 is the marks of a person, and the social is a subject and the Raju is a name, right? So మనం స్టోర్ చేసే డేటాకి సంబంధించిన ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ క్లియర్గా మనకి ఉంది ఇక్కడ whenever we map the data with the fields. So let us print out everything. Let's remove this. సో ఇక్కడ చూసుకుంటే మనకి ప్రతి ఒక్క ఫీల్డ్ అనేది వాల్యూకి మ్యాప్ అయి ప్రింట్ అయింది. సో ఇక్కడ నేమ్ వచ్చేసరికి రాజు, ఏజ్ 34, మార్క్స్ 80 అండ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ సోషల్. సో ఇక్కడ చూసుకుంటే మనము లిస్ట్ని రిమూవ్ చేసి ఫ్లవర్ బ్రాకెట్స్ని యూజ్ చేసి ఒక ఏని డిఫైన్ చేసాం అండ్ ప్రింట్ చేసాం. సో ఇక్కడ ఏ ఏంటంటే, సో పైథాన్లో మన నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్ వచ్చేసరికి డిక్షనరీస్ ఇన్ పైథాన్. సో డిక్షనరీస్, లెట్స్ సీ వాట్ ఈస్ మీన్ బై డిక్షనరీస్. Dictionaries in Pythons are used to store data values in key value pairs. Once again I am repeating, dictionaries are used to store data values in key value pairs. Key value pairs means you can clearly observe that the name is a key and the Raju is the value. That's why we are saying that dictionaries are used to store the data in key value pairs. So here you can see age is the key, marks are the key, and subject is a key. So every key is mapped with its value. So here the name is a key and the value is Raju, and here age and 34. So that's the reason why we are saying the dictionaries are key value pairs, which are used to store the data in a key value pairs. So if you observe that clearly, here we are using the flower brackets. So in order to define dictionaries, we are using the flower brackets. For the list, we are using the square and parentheses for the tuples. That's it. So you can see clearly observe that here dictionary is defined, which is having some keys as name, CGP and marks. Here you can also observe the values like visit, snippet, time pointed and the marks, right? So if you want to access the values from your dictionary, so I want to access the age of a person from the dictionary, it's just simple. I need to provide the key name. So this is the way to access the value from a dictionary. So you can clearly observe that the value age 34 is printing here, right? And if we are having a huge amount of data in our dictionary, means a big amount of data, but I want to know number of keys are present in a dictionary, then there is a predefined method in Python that is keys, which is used to print the entire keys. So you can see in a list we are getting all the keys from our dictionary, that those are name, age, marks and subject. And also we can also print the values by using the predefined method values. So here you can see the values like Raju, 3480 social, everything will be printed here. So these are the methods. Keys are used to print all the keys in a dictionary, and the values are used to print. Value method is used to print the values from a dictionary. So you can see nested dictionaries means a dictionary inside the another dictionary. So if you see here, we are having one dictionary dist. In that we are having two keys, whereas name is one key and score is the another key. And here clearly you can see that score is another dictionary. It means a second dictionary which is present in the first dictionary, right? So let us create this type of dictionary. So here let's remove this and make it a dictionary, right? I'm giving some subject names as max. Let us give marks. So I have taken just two subjects from your dictionary subject. So if you want to access the dictionary values which are inside, I mean the nested dictionary values, I mean if you want to access the max, if you want to print this marks 50, then simply you can use, first we need to give the key value subject. So let me give it. And the next we need to provide the another key which is inside the dictionary, second dictionary, that is subject, that is the max. So let's see the output. So you can see the 50 is printed. So if you want to access the signs, just you need to replace this. We already know how to access the data from a dictionary, right? So in order to access the data from the second dictionary, means the nested dictionary, just we need to give the key name of the dictionary, I mean the nested dictionary, and the next the keys of the dictionary. That's about it. And we have already discussed about the methods. In that methods, we have discussed about the keys and values method, which is used to print the keys. And the values is used to return all the values in a dictionary, right? So the next method is items method. So it returns the items. I mean, let me show you. So let's write a dot items. So here you can clearly observe that we are getting a tuples with the key value pairs. So here you can see the name and the Raju key and the value. They are written in a tuples. Means we are getting output where all the keys and the values are mapped. I mean, where all the keys and the values are printed in a couple of tuples. So here you can see one tuple, and this is the another tuple, and this will be the another. So every key value pair is printed in a tuples. That's about the items method. So if you can see here, the another method is get method. It's nothing but accessing the value from a dictionary. So it's just simple. We are using the get method, and we need to provide the key name. So just I'm giving get age. So it will print the age of a person. It's similar to the accessing the data from a dictionary. So here you can clearly see that age is printed 34. So if you want to access anything like let me provide name. So here the name will be printed. It's similar to the accessing the data from a dictionary. By using the get method, just we can get the value by using the key as a parameter. And the last method is update method. So update method is nothing but updating a particular dictionary with another dictionary. So let me take two dictionaries. Let us take two dictionaries. So at first dictionary, let us take some subject. And let us consider another dictionary. So here at first I am trying to update the dictionary A with B. Then what will happen? Let us see. So this is the way to update any dictionary with another dictionary. Just we need to pass the dictionary as parameter to the update method. Now let us try to print the A. So here you can clearly observe that at present we are having the dictionary. In that dictionary we are having only two keys, that is subject and coding, and at the second dictionary B we are having the maths and science. Whenever we update the dictionary A with B, the entire values of B will be copied to the dictionary A. So the dictionary A will be updated with the dictionary B. So you can clearly see that we are having four keys, that is subject and coding from subject and coding from dictionary A, and max and science are from the dictionary B. So here you can clearly see that A is updated with the B.